Assalamualaikum and good day to all respected members of the boards, distinguished executive and colleagues. My name is Muhammad Rizwan bin Zainal Abidin and I am the corporate communication manager of this organization. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. The proposal I will be presenting is titled Strategic Workplace Communication Enhancement Program. This initiative has been carefully designed to address several communications challenges currently affecting our organizations during this period of rapid digital transformation. As our organization continues to adopt new digital tools, visual collaboration platforms, and flexible working arrangements, the way we communicate internally has changed significantly. While these changes bring many opportunities for efficiency and innovations, they have also introduced certain communication difficulties that must be addressed strategically. Recent internal audits and employee feedback surveys have revealed several concerning trends within our organizations. These include inconsistent messaging from different levels of management, ineffective and unstructured visual meetings, declining employee morals, and increasingly strained communications between departments. When organizational messages are inconsistent or unclear, employees may feel confused about priorities and expectations. When meetings are unproductive, valuable time and resources are lost. Most importantly, when employees feel disconnected from leadership's communication, their engagement and motivation may decrease. These issues highlight the importance of strengthening internal communication practice across all management levels. In particular, middle managers and team leaders play a crucial role in ensuring that organizational messages are delivered clearly and consistently throughout the organization. Because of this, I would like to propose the Strategic Workplace Communication Enhancement Program, a structured training initiative designed specifically to equip middle managers and team leaders with the communication skill necessary to lead effectively in a digital transforming workplace. The main objective of this program is to improve communication clarity, strengthen leadership communication practice, and enhance collaboration across departments. By strengthening these communication capabilities, the organization can improve employee well-being, increase engagement levels, and ultimately enhance organization performance. The intended outcome of this program include improving the consistency of management communication, increasing the effectiveness of virtual meetings, strengthening teamwork across departments, and fostering a culture of open communication and constructive feedback within the organization. Moving on to the design of the training program, the primary participants of the initiative will be middle managers, team leaders, and departmental supervisors. These individuals are served as the critical communication link between senior leadership and operational employees. Their responsibilities include communicating organizational goals, providing guidance to the teams, coordinating tasks across the department, and addressing workplace concerns raised by employees. However, due to the rapid changes in communication technology and working arrangement, many managers have not received sufficient training on how to effectively communicate in a digital hybrid working environment. As a result, they may struggle with managing virtual meeting effectively, delivering consistent organizational message, or maintaining strong engagement with employees who work remotely. The training program will consist of 4 modules designed to address the specific communications challenges identified in the organization. The first module focuses on strategic workplace communication. In this module, the participant will learn the principle of effective organizational communication, including how to structure clear message, deliver information confidently, and align communication with organizational goals and strategies. By targeting these communication gatekeepers, the programs ensure that improvements in communication will cascade throughout the entire organization, positively influencing both leadership communication and employee engagement. Participants will also explore common communication barriers within organization and learn techniques for overcoming misunderstandings and improving clarity in workplace interaction. The second module focuses on digital communication and virtual collaboration. As organizations increasing rely on digital platform for communication, it is essential for managers to understand how to use these tools effectively. This module will teach participants how to organize productive virtual meetings, manage digital collaboration platform, and maintain engagement during online discussion. Manager will learn how to structure meeting efficiently, encourage participants from all team members, and ensure that clear action points are communicated at the end of each meeting. The third module addresses conflict management and interdepartmental communication. Communication breakdowns often lead to conflicts between individuals or departments. This module will help managers identify the cause of workplace misunderstandings and develop strategies for resolving conflicts constructively. Participants will engage in role-playing activities and practical exercises that simulate real workplace scenarios, allowing them to practice communication techniques that promote collaboration and problem solving. This module will be delivered through interactive workshop, case study, group discussion, and role-playing exercise to ensure that participants actively engage with the learned process. I will like to briefly discuss the logistical aspect and estimated budget for this program. The program will be conducted over 2 full days of intensive workshop, followed by a 3-month reinforcement phase that include virtual coaching, seasons, and performance evaluations. The workshop will be facilitated by a professional workplace communication consultant who specializes in leadership communication and organizational development. The estimated budget of this program is approximately 23,500 ringgit. This includes professional trainers' fees, training materials, digital learning platform, venue arrangement, refreshment, and program evaluations activities. The expected impact of this program on employee well-being and organizational performance is significant. Effective communication helps employees feel informed, respected, and connected to the organization goals. When communication is clear and transparent, employees are more likely to trust leadership, collaborate effectively with colleagues, and remain motivated in their roles. Research consistently shows that organizations with strong internal communication systems experience higher employee engagement, lower workplace conflict, and improved productivity. Therefore, by strengthening the communication skill of our manager and team leaders, the organizations can create a more positive work environment that support both employee well-being and operational success. In conclusion, communication is one of the most important factors that determine organization effectiveness. The challenges identified through internal audits clearly demonstrates the need to strengthen communication practice within the organization. The Strategic Workplace Communication Enhancement Program provides a comprehensive and practical solution to these challenges by equipping our manager with the skill they need to communicate effectively in a modern digital workplace. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I welcome any question or feedback from the board.